Hi folks, it's Moz here, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Thunder model US Tug Clarktor 6. It's a heavy duty airfield tractor, and this was given to me by Model Works, and we're going to be opening the box and having a little review. So here it is. This is the Thunder model US Tug Clarktor 6 Mil 33. The heavy duty airfield tractor. This was, as I said, gifted to me by Model Works. They're selling it for $26.99. I'll leave a link in the description box below to their website so you can purchase it for yourself. Nice box art there, showing you the tractor itself. I believe the RAF used these. I think there was quite a few shipped over during the war, and were used to ferry weapons around and move the aircraft around too. Plastic kit number is 32001. Edge of the box, you've got some information about the Clarktor 6. Production began in 1942 and ended in 1966. So 22 years of being produced. Information there about it again, a bit of the box art. On the back, it's going to come with 100 plastic parts with slide and multi-side slide molded detail. It's got a PE detail sheet and decals, glues and paints not included, and it's not a toy. Then you've got it in the native language of Thunder model, again $26.99. On the back, you've got coming soon, and I think these have all been released because this is a 2023 kit. So top opening box, this one here. So the top opening box, so you're going to be getting one, looks like one large sprue there of parts. Another bag here of 2 sprues. It looks like wheels to me, looks like the rear wheel assembly there. You get a bag of tyres. Let's have a little look, shall we? And let's get this up close in the camera, as you can see. Yeah, they have got tread on them, some nice tread, zigzag tread. There's no branding on these tyres, so they're just flat-sided. But yeah, they look pretty nice. Bit something different, not normal, so you wouldn't have to paint those up. Inside you also get, oh, this looks like it slipped out here. You get a bag with photo etch in there. So there you go, there's the front guard, I believe, of the tractor. So plenty of bending required on this one. If we just get it to zoom in, there you go, it's better. Nice, crisp photo etch there. There's quite a lot there as well, up to part 24 there. So I just look on the back. Then we get the other sheet here. They've got plastic protection sheets on the front of it. And there you go, you've got some foot plates there, or what they do to the floor. And looks like, yeah, some tread there on that side. Looks like a hitch there. Looks like some sort of holder there for like a fuel filter or something. Is that handbrake or some sort of gear levers there or something? But yeah, some nice bits of photo etch. You get a decal sheet, which looks pretty crisp, quite thick. They look quite thick, carrier film, so yeah, but you've got everything you need there for this model. Quite nice. Looks like you've got some instrument panel markings there as well, USA Star, and some you've got RAF numbers there as well, which is good. And what does that say down the edge there? Engineering, it says engineering down there, which is nice. That goes in that one. And then you get your clear sprue. Quick look at the clear sprue while we've got it here. And basically there's just your lights. Not as crisp as I'd like. They're quite foggy. But that doesn't matter, does it really? But yeah, you get 1, 2, 3, 4. That's tiny, that one there. Very, very tiny. There you are. There's the plastic for there. One instruction manual. Oh, it's saying scale 1 to 35th. I thought it was it says 132 there, but it's saying here 135th. The whole. Put my teeth back in. and you also get colour call out. Looks like they've gone with AK for their colours. You're getting yourself a yellow one here. Which one's that? You're getting an RAF, flat black and pure blue, so more of a blue one, and a bit of blue grey. So you got a bit of a mixture of the RAF on that one, and on this one here, I think this is more of American. Yeah, more of American call out there. US olive drab. Yeah, US olive drab. Again, US olive drab. So there you go. Some call outs there if you so wish. So let's have a little look at the main sprue, shall we? Which is always interesting. We'll cut this one open. So here's the first sprue. Just looking through, you've got some, looks like chassis there, engine parts here. You've got some wings. Let's just get up close, shall we, so you can have a proper little look. There we go. There's your fan. That's right, your radiator there. You've got a bit of dashboard there. Just turn it over so you can see. Very minimal injection marks on here. But yeah, it's looking, there's your axle there, your rear axle. Steering wheel, part of your seat there. More seat. Looks like that there is your silencer. Plate there, some sort of filter. Moving through, yeah, you know, some raised rivet marks there. Again, there's your leaf springs that look really tidy, actually, look really good. Moving through, there's some more parts there. Looks like your hitch there, or you're hitching up equipment there. Moving through, look at that, very nice indeed. Very nice indeed. Some manifold parts there, steering, etc. Yeah, it's looking rather nice. That is. So there, yeah, it's a very nice sprue and lots of parts to get your teeth into, most definitely. So there's sprue one. In this bag, you've got your wheels and your hubs at the back. I presume that's your rear and this is your front. So if you're getting closer, let's get the camera to. There you go. So you've got some nice detail there indeed. Very nice detail. Just switch them over so you can see. I presume on the front there, these basically turn over and then you just put the rubber or the vinyl wheels in. That's a light there, or a light cover. And there's a plate there as well that I suppose you put somewhere on the tractor. We're not too sure, so there you go. And you get two of these, exactly the same, 1, 2. So then time for the instructions. It says 1 to 35th scale, it's not. The box says 1/32, so ignore that. Basically, they're your labels. Cut, remove, drill, no glue, bend, cyanoacrylate glue, which is your super glue, string or wire rope, P, press rivet lines from the etched off side. So let's go through and have a look, shall we? So you got some information there which you find on the outside of the box about basically information of the Clarktor 6, and you're starting off with building up the engine, and you're putting on the fan belt and all the bits in front. Manifolds going on, I believe, with some plate there, some sort of attack. Must be like a blanking part there for a pipe. It looks like. Where's that go in there? And that goes here. Sorry. So that's the manifold goes in there. The part goes there. When the engine's all up, you're putting in a few filters. Photo etch looks like a cover there for the air filter. And then you've got your starter motor, I believe, and some other bits there for your transmission. Exhaust boot there, I believe. Not exhaust boot. Gear stick. This is where your gear stick goes in. So this must be your boot for your gear stick. And then you put in the engine to the chassis rails on the together. A bit of photo etch in there. I'm going to say quite a bit of photo etch in this kit. So not for the faint-hearted. Then you'll put in the top on, which I believe is the bonnet, and that all goes on top. Then you're using this part here, A15, to drive fit angles to be correct, so making sure that's all flush and straight, etc. Underneath, you're putting in the steering and the front linkage there, a couple of leaf springs and some bits to go on the front, a bit of photo etch there, some sort of plate going on there, and looks like you're touching A65, which is your steering ram. All together, then you're putting in some more steering on the front, so it'll be on the left hand side, which is all good. On the back, you're doing the axle there, your diff, and some other parts together, and that just fits in. There must be, oh, it's a prop shaft, so that's how your prop shaft goes in there, connecting them two bits together to the engine or to the transmission. Gear stick goes on, and looks like you've got some attachment points there, some sort of tank or filter going on there, and you've got some photo etch to go around it. So that might be an air filter there, and I presume these are your gear levers or your handbrake. Looks like you're gluing them two together and then fixing that into position. Instrument decal placement, so you've got your speedo, and you've also got manufacturer's plates to put on there, which is nice. Moving across then, step 5, you're then putting in foot plates, or the plate on the back. Some pedals go on, and then some photo etch here on the front. You've got to bend that. It's just showing you here, I believe, where to attach the photo etch on the front there, just underneath. Is that right? Just looking. Yeah, showing you where it all attaches, so that goes in now, I believe. Silencer in 2 parts and pipe work going in underneath. Then you're putting your towing hitch on, which is 4 bits. Rear wings go on, and then you've got some sort of toolbox to go there, which I believe the seat will attach to just in front. Yeah, so the seat goes together there with the steering wheel, and you've got some photo etch there as like some sort of like a center column, I believe. And then you've got your photo etch fan to go on the front where the pulleys are. A bit more photo etch just inside there where the pedals are. Then you're doing the rear wheels and the front wheels, so 4 bits plus a tyre, and then 2 bits for a tyre there. You make 2 of each. Then you're putting on, I believe it's the bumper or the bruiser on the front. So 3 bits of photo etch there, and you're going to need these angles here, which are hangers for that front, and they basically glue on the front there with some CA glue. CA glue these hangers also in as well, PE20. Then you've got a piece here which is a choice. I believe you can either put in PE5 or you can put in PE2. So you can, that foot plate there will bend. So you can either put that in so there's no wing, or just thing, or yeah. So I think that's what it is. You've got a choice here. You put in P5 or P4 there and there, or you don't, and you put that in, I guess. Or you can, or you don't have to. Oh, I see. Looks like if you've got a choice here on how you do it, but I think you'll put that still in, haven't you? Yeah, you still got to put this piece in, but you either have that piece or just have it down, so you don't have to show that. I think that's what it is. I think that's the choice anyway. I presume that's the bonnet, but that must be a fuel tank as well. So that's a P part, which goes, attaches to the first light, and you have 2 of them, I believe. So they go either side, and you attach your light and your clear part there, and that all attaches to the front. You also get looks like a fuel cap, so that must be the fuel tank there on the top. That must be the fuel tank. That all goes together, and you can either, as I said, have it open or closed, depending on which way you want it to look. And basically that is the complete build. On the back you've got a call out there of the sprues, the photo etch, the tyres, and it looks like you're only using those 2 bits from the clear plastic, and that's it. That's basically the instructions all done. So folks, there you go. That was the Thunder Models US Tug Clarktor 6 mm33 and 1 to 32nd scale. I think the instructions are a little bit lost in translation. It's 1 to 35th scale. To me, it looks like a very nice kit, lovely bit of plastic, a lot of photo etch. And I was gifted this kit by Mark and the team at Modelworks. Modelworks is a model shop that's based in New Haven. And you can see they hold a lot of model kits, accessories, paints, tools, pocket kits, airfits, Tamiya, Trumpeter, Academy. They've got the whole range in their shop. And so if you are based in that neck of the woods down near New Haven, you can go along there and buy yourself a model kit. The chaps there are very, very insightful, they're very helpful and are eager to help you decide on your next model kit. So if you're in the area, why don't you visit ModelWorks or visit their website, themodelworks.co.uk. There'll be a link on the screen. And so that's a review of this tractor from Thunder Models. Let me know in the comments your thoughts. I've never built a Thunder Models kit before. I am tempted to get this on the bench and have a little play. The only thing that's kind of worrying me is the photo etch, because it's not just straight bends, is it? You're looking at curved bends on this one. And to be fair, I don't really like using photo etch. I just wish that model companies would put the plastic in, and then if you want to, you know, take out the plastic and put in the resin, the photo etch instead. That's more my cup of tea. But yeah, it's a lovely looking kit, $26.99, and it's available from ModelWorks in New Haven. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. A huge shout out to the channel members that are on my screen now. If you'd like to become a channel member, just click join below and select which membership tier you so wish. I am now going to be sending out more zines this year for the top tier members of the channel because they help me financially, and all members now will be receiving what are little postcards that I'm having made up using a company, and every so often they'll get a little either a picture of a model that I've built or some information or some sort of artwork that I've done, and I'll send them as a postcard to the channel members. If you want to become a top tier channel member, just click join below. If you like this video and want to see more, click here. If you'd like to see a playlist of scale model kits that I've reviewed in the past, click here.